I would say that the first thing that you should do if you're looking at hanging your Christmas lights is call a professional. Don't do it yourself. If you want to be safe, call somebody else to do it. And from there, I would say, just remember there are elements of the home that have certain names for a reason. There's part of the home that they call the widow's peak. Call it a widow's peak for a reason. Don't get up there on a ladder. Hire a professional who does it every day. Let them come out and clip those lights onto the exterior of your siding. If you are a professional, you would know the best way to attach the Christmas lights would be with the clips, attaching them to the drip edge or attaching them to the gutters. The reason you would want to use those clips to attach the lights directly to the drip edge, directly to the gutters, is because you really want to protect your fascia, your new James Hardie fascia, from moisture intrusion by not really putting screws into it as much as possible.